Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. Today we are going to talk about the Pochette Accessoires. This is one of my favorite handbags, if you can call it a handbag. And it was also included in my most worn bags of 2020. So if you're interested in this kind of content, I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you're not a subscriber already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. As mentioned before, I include this bag into my most worn bag in 2020. This is the best bag for running errand in my opinion. Pochette Accessoires is highly sought after. I'm sure almost everyone that is into Louis Vuitton has this bag, and surprisingly, even though you think this looks very small, it could fit your daily essential. Mine is not the new model, mine is an older one. It's a vintage one. I don't remember where I put the strap. I took it off actually a few days ago because I actually always carry this as a crossbody with my strap handle. This is also a great pouch for travel. If you need an extra pouch, you can put your belongings here. And when you arrive your destination, you can use it as your bag. Now, the new model is slightly bigger than this one, and also the strap is slightly longer. Like, my strap is quite short. It is more like a wristlet for me, or like in that style that is like very early 2000 kind of style. So this one is 5 inches in height and 8.5 inches in length. It fits a lot of things. It comes with a leather strap, but you can add your own strap if you want to make it as a crossbody with fabric lining. So as you can see, even though it looks small, it packs a punch. I purchased this pre-owned, so I have no complaint about the wear and tear. I think it's still in a good condition despite the age. I'm not one to be able to decipher the Louis Vuitton date code actually, but it says 1011, so you can comment down below if you know what year that means. Like any other Louis Vuitton item, zipper is very smooth and very easy. If you want to carry your full-size wallet, you are definitely will be able to, as long as your wallet is not very thick. This is the Emily wallet. I'm not using this wallet at the moment, but just to show you that it would fit nicely. And you can still fit your phone and possibly more things. Let's see, your key clay can still fit, and if you need a lipstick. And then we still have a lot of room on the top, so you can still fit your hand sanitizer, and it will just close nicely. You can still fit a little bit more things, but I wouldn't recommend because, you know, it would be maybe challenging to close the zipper. So there you go. It fits a good amount. This is perfect for every day. Let's try to fit other things in it. Okay, so I have the mini pochette accessoire. Of course, it's going to also fit the mini pochette accessoire if you are using it as a wallet. I don't use it as a wallet. I use it as another catch-all. So I don't see the point of me carrying a mini pochette accessoire inside a pochette accessoire. So, but just to demonstrate, it does fit perfectly, very nicely. The wallet that I'm using is this Zoe wallet, compact wallet, so I'm just gonna fit it over there with my key clay, and I will have my phone. Fits nicely there. Let's see, a lipstick. Okay, so it expands sideways as well. I have these glasses, but the pouch definitely is not going to fit, so we can put it on the top, even though it's always bad for your glasses. But seriously, there's so many small bags, like who can carry a sunglasses pouch? So it could fit nicely on the top, so you could still have your sunglasses with you while you're out and about, walking outside, running errands. And of course, hand sanitizer, you always need that. The hand sanitizer, because it's on the side, it creates this shape, which is not the best for your bag, but it still works. If you want to just wear your sunglasses so you can put your hand sanitizer on the top, then you would keep the shape of the bag. So alright, so it's just a short review of the Pochette Accessoires. I really love it. If this one ever goes too warm for me to wear, I definitely would like to repurchase in the future, and you could always get it pre-loved as well, even though I think the NM in pre-loved sites, it's not that different of a price. But also, this is very sought after item. You don't really find it easily at Louis Vuitton or even the website. You know, it's not really available all the time. Highly recommend this. I think nowadays it's $790, which is quite high in my opinion for a pochette accessoire. Remember back in the day it was like in the 500 range. I do recommend it. It's such a great versatile item. You can wear it crossbody, you can have it as a wristlet, you can have it as a pouch when you travel. So there are a lot of functions that you can get from this particular bag. That is all my quick review for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the pochette accessoire. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.